1.5 years, how did you manage to wait for me that long?
I run behind this girl too much. You think I just one day fellas ignore and no?
Are you handsome that time?
Of course. Until now.
Oh no! May asim pa pa. May asim pa pa. When and how did we meet?
On Facebook.
And he started following me and stalking my pictures.
I don't know, Anna doesn't give me face before. She let me run behind her too much. She blocked me one time also in Facebook. Maybe 1 year she don't talk to me.
I was not saying anything because I know you don't yet record.
Why you didn't say that I didn't record? Baba say very nice word. What is our love story?
I just finished ice cream. It's like ice cream, I said.
It's like
you want
an
me
ice
to
cream.
repeat it again?
Yeah.
Ice cream. Ice cream is sweet and yummy.
But ice cream is cold. The love should be hot.
No problem. Once you eat it, it will be hot in your body. It will melt in your heart. Right?
Right, Yamo? No, that
The ice cream is melting.
Baba, how you know that I'm the one?
My heart said that.
What do you mean, Baba?
My heart said that catch this girl and don't leave.
When the time that I didn't talk to you or I ran away from you, why you still follow me?
I just challenge with myself.
Why you get
I
challenged
said
to
how
me?
someone is ignoring me.
For 1.5 years, how did you manage to wait for me that long? Since when did we meet? 2010? We meet each other 2010. We start chatting. It was, I think, end of 2010. And then after 2 months of chatting, we finally meet in that area, in bar, and I ran away from you. After that, finished.
No, what was the Madanazayat meeting?
That is first time we meet in Medina and said, but see each other and say, hi, hello. After that, you go. Because you invite me to go for a coffee, but I said that no, we will lose the bus. because we are riding the bus that time and it's very far away from the city, our home. It was 30 minutes away, right? Khalifa B to
Yeah, almost 30
Medina
to 40,
side.
30 to 40.
Yeah, so me and Ed, it was, you just say hi, hello. Hi, hello. After that, when we say that, no, we will not come for a coffee, then you leave us. And we said some other day. And that was in the bar. And I ran away from you. Anyway,
We searched you that time.
that time, Baba, we hide it. We go in the next bar. I don't like you. We go in the next bar and maybe 1 hour we stay in the toilet. Me and Eds. Because we afraid also that you will see us and you get angry. And then we take taxi to go back to Khalifa B. And it was middle of the night. It was 2 a.m. in the morning. And after that, Baba, I block you in Facebook, in Yahoo.
What you was asking? I don't remember.
When you was calling me, who are you? I'm asking, who is this?
Yeah. I was always explaining myself. I'm this, I'm that, I'm this.
Actually, I know because I saved also his number, but I didn't delete and I cannot. That time, my telephone is old version. I cannot block. There's no option to block the person, and here in the Middle East that time, you cannot easily change your number, right? It's not easy. It's easy to buy a new number, but you need to register again, and you need to pay money for that one, right, Baba? So when he's always calling me, I'm telling, who's this, but I know he's the one. And when he's calling me, guys, he's finishing one card.
She make drama for me. Always she make drama.
He's calling me from my work when I'm going home. It's 30 minutes from my work to home, we are talking in the phone for 30 minutes. He's not stopping. We are talking nothing. He's finishing his credit for me for 25 dirhams or 30 dirhams, that one.
It was 25.
25. One full card he will finish for me.
I run behind this girl too much. I run behind behind too much. Think I just one day halas ignore and finish? No.
Why you challenged? Baba, I want to know.
We go even the, what is this, in bowling. I remember we go bowling also.
Yeah, we went to
And
bowling.
you was asking for your friends, what do you think about him? What do you think about him? I will be with him.
Okay,
Oh, no, blah blah blah. Something you was saying. I
Stop.
was hearing.
Stop talking to him. Talk to me.
Mm.
Yeah, it's right.
I was hearing you was asking for your friend about me.
Because I told them.
You was still not trusting me.
And you don't remember? Every time we meet each other, I'm bringing my friends always. Because guys, I'm afraid with him. First time, I don't know, but I'm not relaxed with him. How do you handsome that?
Of course.
No.
Ang lakas ng apang nito.
My age is 18. My heart age is 18.
Age doesn't matter, right? May asim ka pa.
Ayaw.
May asim pa, di ba?
Maasim ka pa.
Maasim, sour.
Who's sour? I'm not sour. Who's sour? I'm sweet, not sour.
Ayun guys, sobrang hirap.
Because you're eating me and you're saying I'm sweet.
Yeah. You are sweet, she is sweet, and she is sweet too.
What do you mean, bro?
Yeah, he's
Hirap
sweet
na
too.
hirap siya sa akin guys. Na ano naman ligaw. And finally,
This guy is gone, huh?
Yeah, he's gone.
Better.
And finally, after 1.5 years, it was 2010, we meet each other. And then I blocked him in Facebook and YouTube, Facebook and Yahoo. After that, he started calling me always, and then I give him chance. Actually, Eds told me, and one other friends, give him chance when you are calling me always. Every time, because Eds is with me in that work.
This guy gone now.
They say that give him chance. Maybe he's really a good guy. That's why when we are going outside for bowling, for billiard, we always go billiard, bowling when we are together. And my friends I asked to my friend if he's okay. Then they say, yeah, he's good. He's a good guy. Are you a good guy, Baba?
Of course. What are you talking about?
They say that he's a good guy. He's very kind. That is our love story. Right, Baba? And we finally, after 2 years of waiting, he catch my sweet yes. When
What you mean, sweet?
sweet yes. I answer you
Ah,
yes.
sweet, yes. Okay.
Yeah, right? And do you remember when did I say yes for you? Which place?
Castle.
Alcázar, yeah, in the breakwater. We was in the middle of the sea, and there is they call it Alcázar, Baba, in Marina Mall
Yeah,
in
that's
Abu
what I'm
Dhabi.
saying.
Yeah, it's middle of the night, and it's
That time, that area was very famous. Everybody was going.
and
there.
also the moon is full moon. It was full moon, guys. It's in the middle of the sea when I said
No,
yes
no,
for him.
You want to clean? Can you see?
That is our sweet love story, guys. I hope you enjoy
Oh,
our
this is-
story.
Alright.
It's just short, but it's very meaningful for us, and
What you
that's it. Our love got two beautiful gifts from Allah. these two.
What, you want me to?
Behind us.
I will do it.
I hope you enjoy, guys, our love story. Bye bye, Baba.
Bye bye. Sorry, we are just busy for cleaning, eating, blah blah.
Can you say that see you on our next vlog?
Inshallah, see you in the next video. Not vlog. What vlog? Video.
Okay, see you on our next
Video.
Don't forget to like, comment down below, and
And you like
Subscribe.
subscribe.
to say video only.
Yeah.
Ade.
Say good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.
Good
Say bye
night.
bye.
Bye bye. See you again.
Don't forget to subscribe if you are
And
new
like
to our
also,
channel.
Like.
Share also, share.
You open the bell button there. It's when she uploaded, you will hear it. Ting.
Bye bye, guys. Good night. Thank you.